Hello friends, this video is on how to predict in a blank chart, and today we will focus on Cancer Ascendant. In this video I will share you some techniques or methods by which we can able to use the sign energy for your prediction. So by just knowing the ascendant you can able to predict 10 to 15 events of the native's life, which is really interesting. And today we will see how these things can be correlated for the ascendant Cancer. Before starting this video, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel so that you will get latest notification regarding my video uploads. Cancer Ascendant. The first thing that is coming to our mind, these people are very emotional. Why? Because the sign lord is Moon. So these people are very emotional people. Second thing, these people will give a lot of importance to their appearance, how they are looking, and they are very emotionally connected with their looks, how they are appearing. Third thing is that these people feel very much protective when they are in a home environment. So we can say these people will like to stay in home, or they feel quite protective when they are with their mother. When it comes to their second house, dealing with resources, these people think power and authority are the resources, or we can say power and authority for these people will be a very good resource. These people feel pride of their family. These people will feel pride for their father. When it comes to the communication for a Cancer Ascendant, what we can say that when they are communicating, or what we can say long-term communication, it is always end with a fight, because the sign of Virgo is there. So, and one thing I have noticed that these people usually give court notice to those persons with whom they are fighting. Very good chance of sending court notice to them. Or we can say these people fight a lot through emails, using their writing capability. Next thing, when it comes to buying a house or buying a car, these people have a certain number of what we can say check sheet, or we can say that these people are very what we can say do have choices regarding selection of a house or property or vehicle. When it comes to their fifth house related thing, dealing with children, dealing with students, these people must going through, or we can say that student or children can bring a large transformation in their life, because the sign of Scorpio is over there. Fifth house is also mantra bhava. So these people will not tell the mantras they are chanting. They want to keep them with themselves. And one interesting thing is that these people like to chant the mantra in a secret place, away from the society. When it comes to the dealing with debts, diseases or service, these people have a higher knowledge. These people know A to Z regarding what we can say debts or fighting court cases, dealing with diseases, because sign of Sagittarius is over there. When it comes to their spouses, when it comes to the partnership, these people are very structured, organized, disciplined, because sign of Capricorn is over there. When for Cancer ascendant, when it comes to the eighth house related thing, one thing I have noticed, these people do have a large friend circle dealing with occult, or we can say that these Cancer ascendant people must be in a group where there is a always discussion of occult science, or what we can say astrology, jyotish, or mantras. When it comes to the selection of guru or teacher for Cancer ascendant, they do like to select or find a guru or teacher in a foreign place or a distant place. For Cancer ascendant, when it comes to their 10th house related thing, these people are very quick to respond in their workplace or profession or career. But one main what we can say problem is that they are not able to complete those things. They can quickly start the project, but after starting this project they usually think, why I am involved in this project. For Cancer ascendant, when it comes to their friends, one thing we can say that their friends are very resourceful, because sign of Taurus is over there. For Cancer ascendant, they usually like to eat food with their friends. They usually go for a dinner with their friends, or call the friends to their home for a dinner or lunch. This type of thing will happen with Cancer ascendant. When it comes to their expenses, when it comes to their spending, these people will like to spend a lot for buying communication equipment like mobile phones, earphones, speakers. These people can buy books for reading. But in general, these people are always in a, what we can say, these people are not able to decide whether to spend or not in general, because Gemini sign is there and it is a what we can say dual sign. So in this way you can able to use the sign energy for your prediction. And always you take example of example charts, like in like for Cancer ascendant you can take the chart of Lord Sri Ram and see how emotional he is, because for Lord Ram the ascendant is Cancer and Jupiter is in Cancer. So see how emotional Lord Ram was. When it comes to dealing with enemy, Lord Ram is fight with Ravan and able to won the fight. At that time, Ravan was what we can say a big demon. He has so much of power, but Lord Ram able to defeat Ravan with their fighting skill. With his only fighting skill, he is able to defeat what we can say Ravan. When it comes to the spouse, Lord Ram, see how his life went through relationship, how structured, organized, disciplined he is related to the relationship. For Lord Ram, when it comes to his friends, how his friends are very resourceful. Sugriva and Vibhishana, these both are very resourceful. Sugriva provided him the army for the fighting. Vibhishana sent the Puspaka Yana to bring Rama back to Ayodhya. So in this way you can able to use the sign energy for the prediction, and you take some example charts. So friends, this is all about Cancer ascendant, and where you can able to energy the sign energy, where you are going to use the sign energy for prediction. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.